Okay, what's up guys? This is actually my first video with my voice. But yeah, this is my voice. My first game is well, probably a great cringe game for you guys, but this is just where I can have fun, honestly, just like drift and troll people. But let's get to the point. If you guys would just like and subscribe, I'm not forcing to. It's optional. And yeah, it's my first video with no planning actually. So I just want to say that thanks so much for the support and everything. I really appreciate it. And shout out to my cousin, Damien. You can go check out his channel. I'm gonna put it in the comments, the link to his channel, so you guys can go there. Or on the title, whatever. But anyway,